Wagwan beautiful people, and welcome once again to Cooking with Nino. As we continue with our barbecue summer backyard series, I've got a few items here that I'm going to be throwing on the barbecue that you're just going to love. So right here I've got my barbecue chicken. I've got my chicken legs all trimmed up and all rubbed and marinated in our Piranha Jerk Seasoning. You know, Piranha is my favorite. Right here I've got some steaks. I've got some steaks with the bone-in chops. Looking beautiful and lovely. We're going to be grilling those, actually season those up with some salt and pepper and onion and garlic powder along with some fresh thyme leaves. I've got my corn on the cob over here. I'm going to throw those on the barbecue as well, and next to that we've got an assortment of peppers. We're going to have a colorful display of barbecue delight as we continue on with this series. So stay tuned as I put the food on the grill and get grilling. I've got my grill going on right now. I've got my jerk chicken on the grill. I've got some steaks, chopped, boned in. I've got my assortment of peppers, and I've also got my corn roasting on top there. Everything is being cooked very slowly. I'm not rushing anything. Take my time and just get the process going and just getting everything getting to know each other and just looking forward to this. It's gonna be yummy. Can't wait. It's gonna be yummy. As you see, guys, everything is cooking ever so slowly. I like to cook my chicken and my beef or lamb or pork very slowly. No rush in doing it. Set your temperature at roughly around 300 degrees, 325, and just let it penetrate. Let the heat penetrate and the flavors just all just get to know each other. As you can see on my grill, you know, I've got little grill marks going on my steaks. All right, chicken is looking absolutely lovely right now, scrumptious. I've moved my peppers down to the bottom. Originally I had them up top just cooking and just getting them going slowly. Brought them downstairs to get a little char on them before I moved them back up to the top. See a little juice gathering on top of the beef there. Not to worry, that'll all dissipate in time. That's all flavor just pumping itself out, and it's gonna taste absolutely delicious. Once we're all done here, we're gonna put some jerk barbecue sauce on it, and let me tell you something, once we get that sauce on and we baste it, oh boy, it's time for dinner. You better be coming over. So right now I'm going to be getting my barbecue sauce. It's my jerk barbecue sauce. I'm going to get it onto my chicken. Look at that, it's absolutely delightful. And this is a special jerk barbecue sauce. Okay, I'm going to get it all on there and allow it to just baste. Get some of my steak, and as you can see up top there on the grill, I've got my peppers all charred and my corn on the cob all set, guys. Check this out. All right, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? So we continue. We're gonna let it cook for a little bit longer, maybe another 5 minutes, and then we're gonna be taking them off, and now we're gonna eat dinner. So check it out, guys. I'm all done. My barbecue is all done. It's all cooked already, ready to eat. And I've got me a little plate. I've just fixed me a little something here. And let me tell you something. If you're on your way over for dinner, on your way to stop by my house, I'll have a plate ready for you. So I hope you enjoyed this segment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Nino and Lo at YouTube. Check it out. Peppers
Is
and
it ready? Is it ready?
I think she is hungry. I think she is hungry, guys. You better be on your way over because she's going to eat it all up. So get over here real fast. You want my address? Next time. Check it out.
I need food.